Okay, everybody, here's an update. It's Tron1731. I'm going through these carburetors after having this bike. This is an 89 Kawasaki Ninja 600R. It's a zx600r. Well, as you can see, got the new jets in, new float in. Now, what I was making this video about is there's these little plug covers here on these. I don't know if these are still stock. But yeah, you've got to use a little drill bit on your drill and actually drill a hole in it, and then use a little screwdriver to pry that out. But yeah, you get a little bit. You don't want to go too far, you don't want to drill the whole thing out. But once it drops, the drill bit drops, you can get that little cover off there, and then you can get that little needle out that is on the other side on this carburetor. And if you notice, yes, it is there. And if you notice down here, it's broke off, so I'm gonna have to put one in there. But I got a whole rebuild kit from China. That's their Chinese seller, I'm not sure, but it came in this little box. It came with all the floats, all the hardware. Each kit has all the hardware in each bag. So you just go through each carburetor one at a time till there's no more of these little tiny parts left. And you use the new screws and stuff. At your discretion, use the parts you think that are worn out, which look pretty worn out, but I would say use everything in the kit, don't leave anything out. Comes with the new diaphragm rubbers for the top of the velocity slides. Mine still sound good, but why not replace them since you're in here? These carburetors are a pain in the butt to get off. But yeah, you can see what the new float setup looks like compared to an old yellow. Now, I chemically treated these and cleaned these. This carburetor would have probably ran. Do I think it would have ran as good with all new parts in it? No. So anyways, this is the 89 Kawasaki zx600r carburetor rebuild. And when I get all these done and I install them on the bike, I will plug in the vacuum ports with some vacuum gauges and adjust them up so they're in sync. And I also bought new clutches. I bought new the gasket, of course, that goes with the clutch kit. And what else? Oh, and a gasoline pitcock rebuild kit. It was $30 compared to $130 for a new OEM setup. Why not just rebuild it, guys? All right, nice talking with you, man. Like, subscribe, check out my new content. Later, everybody.